Alright, here we're going to show you how to create a Java project using Eclipse. So you can go to the File menu, say New, and Project. And we're doing Java, not C++, so we want to go down to the Java project. Next, give the project some meaningful name. Right, always useful. Make sure the version that you would like to use. I'm currently using, as you can see, the Java JDK 18.0. And from this point, you can just hit next again. And from here, you're going to say next or finish, excuse me. And say yes to open it. And it changed a little bit of the layout of the screen. But it gets you started. And here's the one we created. Right. The source is currently empty. Right. This file, as you see in here, are other projects that I had going on open. And you can move these windows around, as you see I'm doing. Right? That includes all these windows that anywhere else. So we're going to add a file to this, so we can right click on it and say new class, since we're doing Java. Alright, and the name we'll call this one main. It's going to be public, blah blah blah, and might as well tell it to create our main for us. Right? Every Java program has to have a main, so there you go. It saves you a little bit of a step. The rest of these are a little more advanced. Just trying to show you the basic way of creating a project. And once you have that finished, there you have a running program in Java. And you can do whatever you need to do here. So I like my curly brackets lining up just because it's a visual thing for me. I can see where the beginning and the end is. Uh, you can see Eclipse does highlight the matching pair when you click on one or the other, so it also helps you. But if you've got 100 lines in between things, it kind of loses that, this effect here of highlighting. So I like this to visually see where things line up. It's just my preference. With the curly brackets up here on that line, that's more of a Java standard. Um, I started programming with C++, so in C++, this is the way standard was. So either way works. There's no difference. It's a preference. The only thing I would suggest is being very consistent of where you place them. If you're going to do like I did, then always do that. If you're not, then let the editor do its thing. You can configure the editor to tell it where you want it to put it in different formats. Right? But that's that, and we can start a simple program here just to show you that it does run. System.out print. You see, you get the help menu with drop downs, and then the Java docs on its side. We'll do println and do our classic hello world there. Don't forget that semicolon. We're all good there. Then you have this green play button here. And you can hit that. So it's going to create it. Say OK. And there you see down in this window, it shows you the program running. So no command window pops open. You never leave the IDE. You stay here working and doing everything. So kind of nice, all integrated. These windows are resizable. Right? Just gotta grab it and resize them. You can also right click and you should be able to run the file from within here also. There it is, the run as, right? And you can run it from there also. But the play button's up here, nice and simple. There's a lot more features to this. This is just to get you started and how to create a project and get rolling. Good luck.